Welcome to the WireCrafters installation video for the RapidGuard 2 panel width cut-down kit. Step 1. Measure and mark the panel to the overall desired width, subtracting 1/8 of an inch. Using an angle die grinder, portable bandsaw, or your tool of choice, cut the stiffener flat. Next, cut the wire using bolt cutters or heavy-duty wire cutters. Now, cut the angle frame using an angle die grinder, portable bandsaw, or your tool of choice. Recycle the removed material responsibly. Next, align your vertical angle with your outside gussets so that they align properly, leaving a small gap on each side of the vertical angle. Mark and drill a 3/8 inch hole at the top and bottom of the panel. Next, we'll install a 5/16 inch bolt through a couple different areas on the product. We'll start with the gusset. You'll put the bolt through the gusset through the angle frame and tighten it down, and you'll do the same through the gusset through the mesh. You'll repeat this process with the gusset on the other side, as well as 4 other spots along the mesh. Now we'll move on to the stiffener, and we will install the stiffener keeper. You use the same 5/16 inch bolts here, you thread them through and tighten them down, just like you see in the video. Now go back and tighten all the hardware, and you are finished. Now, to install the panel height cut-down kit, these are the recommended order of operations. Measure and mark the panel to the overall desired height, minus 1/8 of an inch. Cut the wire using the bolt cutters or heavy-duty wire cutters. Next, cut the angle frame using an angle die grinder, portable bandsaw, or your tool of choice. And then recycle the removed material. Just as you did for the panel width cut down, align the gusset with the angle frame, leaving a small gap. Next, you'll use the 5/16 bolt to connect the vertical angle and gusset to the wire mesh, as you can see in figure 2. Go back and tighten all your hardware, and you are finished. A couple notes on the elimination of the T-slot. If the panel height is cut down in a manner that eliminates the upper T-slot for panel attachment to the post, use the provided self-drilling, self-tapping screw to attach the panel to the post as necessary. If cutting down both width and height of the panel, it will be necessary to drill a 3/8 inch hole through the top leg of the horizontal angle to allow the vertically installed 5/16 bolts and washers to install through the gusset and the vertical angle. Thank you for using the WireCrafters machine guarding. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us.